What's up, guys? This is Chandler with Backwoods Grill, and today we're going to be cooking up a pulled pork smash burger for you. So stick with me, grab a beer, and fire up your grill. Alright guys, so one of my favorite things to do with some leftover pulled pork is to slap it on a burger. So let's go ahead and get that going.
Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is slap some oil down and add our pulled pork to our griddle. Then slap some barbecue sauce on top of your pulled pork. Let's stir that in and let all the barbecue sauce cook through your pulled pork. Alright, next thing we want to do is slap a couple burger balls on there, about 2 to 3 ounces each, and then your buns. I use brioche for this recipe. Make sure you keep an eye on your pulled pork, keep stirring it around so it doesn't burn on one side. Flip your burgers over, that way they don't stick when you smash them. Then go ahead and smash those down. Remember, when doing smash burgers, it does not have to be perfect. Your cheese will be a binder for holding everything together. Alright, that pulled pork's looking pretty good. It's about ready to take off of there. Also keep an eye on your patties. They're looking like they're about ready to be flipped right now. We'll go ahead and slap some American cheese on your patties there and then stack them on top of each other. Alright, looks like everything's ready to go. Now it's time to build this burger. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is slap some coleslaw on the bottom here. You can do some homemade coleslaw or you can just buy some from the store. For a burger, I prefer a little bit creamier of a coleslaw. It works really nicely. So slap that on the bottom bun, then we're going to go ahead and put our burger patties on top of that. Once you got those patties on, let's go ahead and stack your pulled pork on top of those. You don't need any extra sauce on this burger. You can add some if you like, but between the coleslaw and the barbecue sauce in your pulled pork, it's plenty juicy. After you got your pulled pork on, go ahead and slap 2 onion rings on there. It adds a nice little crunch to your burger as you bite it. Alright guys, and there it is.
Alright guys, so there it is, the pulled pork smash burger for you. Remember, if you made it this far, smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know how I'm doing. Alright, let's go ahead and take a bite. Holy shit, that's the best burger I think I've made. So good.